Hi and hello, this is Vinod Care from Trader YouTube channel. Today we are going to see one of the easiest mission from Hackthebox. The name of the mission is Blocky. I have done a ping the machine whether the machine is in live or dead. So currently the machine is in live and confirmed as a Linux based machine based on this TTL. I have done the Nmap scan. Notice that four ports open. Port 21 for FTP. The version is Pro FTPD 1.3.5a. Port 22 is for SSH, Open SSH 7.2 P2. There is a username enumeration vulnerability available for this version. Port 80 for Apache HTTP 2.4.18. There is a privilege escalation, some graceful, some memory vulnerability available for this version. In port 80, Apache HTTPD 2.4.818 and the site is WordPress 4.8. So we need to enumerate so WordPress exploit. Also notice that titleless Blocky craft under construction and port 8192 is closed. So force. Another one port is open 25565. The service is like Minicraft. So need to check that Minicraft is there is any exploit in local database or exploit DB or in GitHub. This is the exploit searcher for SSH and Apache. The version it's like local privilege escalation. I have done the enumeration in the port 80, the Blocky craft and wiki. It's like a please check back later. We will start publishing wiki articles after we have finished the main server plugin. And the new core plugin will store your playtime and other information in our database so you can see your own status. So there is one database available in this site something. So this is the double WordPress login page and there is one directory called plugin. I have taken this directory using GoBuster or Darbuster or Darbrute. I mean directory brute forcing something. So I have downloaded these two files and extracted in my local machine and one more directory called phpMyAdmin. So I have no credential for this login. So there is one vulnerability called directory listing. I have see all the directories in this web page. I have noticed one of the user in the WordPress is Notch. Notch. I have confirmed the Notch is available in this machine. So this is the status I have earlier discussed. I have downloaded that two files, jar files, and extracted. I have found one of the passwords for the Nash. And also in Blocky core.class, I have noticed the username, root, and the credentials. So this is the username credentials, and this is the root credentials. This is FTP notch credentials. This is SSH notch credentials. FTP notch and SSH notch are the same. I have logged into the SSH and noticed that user.txt is in the root read permission online. So I have get the file, but unfortunately I am not able to get the files. So I have downloaded all the files in my local machines and log into SSH files. So confirm the IP. It's the same machine as block. So this is the flag one and privilege escalation. Before that, I have find out how many users are available in this machine. There are two users, root and notch. I have done the basic script sudo minus l. It is like all. So you can give sudo su and you get the root shell. So this is the flag, this is the credential of the mission. Thanks for watching. If you would like to support me, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye, see you in the next video.